Okay, this is going to be a demonstration of the disassembly and assembly of the GoRoadHog. Okay, begin. He's now removing the counter pins from the seat that holds it in place. 4 quick snaps and the seat is removed. That will later be placed alongside of the vehicle when mounted into the motorhome, and then the steering is collapsed. And upon final, that will have 17 inches of clearance. The pops right back up, steering column pops right back up, seat mounts on 2 posts in the front and a spring in the back, and then counter pins are put in place. And the unit is now ready to go. End of demonstration.